Let me show you why a cruise with Norwegian Cruise Line needs to be on your bucket list. For years, Norwegian Cruise Line has led the industry, offering their guests more at sea by ensuring that no one has to compromise on their vacation. With NCL, you can wake up in a new destination every single day, ranging from the dramatic landscape of Alaska to bucket list views on the Amalfi Coast. And with itineraries going to all 7 continents, NCL can basically take you anywhere you want to go. And the best part is, you get to enjoy a huge variety of world-class amenities along the way. Experience the thrills of the fastest slides at sea, or the world's only 3-story racetrack. Relax in one of their state-of-the-art spas, complete with 2-story waterfalls, hydrotherapy pools, and a huge selection of saunas and steam rooms. Unwind in one of their Infinity Edge pools, or take part in one of the many activities or shows that happen on board every single day. The hardest decision you will have to make is where you want to eat, because NCL has the industry's largest variety of cuisine to choose from. And when it comes to accommodations, you have even more options.